Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. Emergency alert, my people. It's an emergency alert. Do me a favor. Hit the like button for me, my people. We need to push us through the algorithm, bring the awareness of Sologenic and Corium to the masses. You know, if we want mass adoption, we need to push these channels. We need to push these, push it through the algorithm. Hit the like button, please, my people. That's all you've got to do. Just hit the like button, and especially if you're getting some sort of knowledge from these videos that I'm doing with the technical analysis. Hit the like button, my people. Some of the likes on the video. I think the last video 180 something views thus far, and we've only got about 12 likes. Come on, my people. Let's hit the like button. The Solo Nation, let's go. It's an emergency alert, my people. So we're looking over Solo versus XRP, and we'll take a look at Corium versus XRP. But what I'm seeing, my people, what I'm seeing on the chart, let's take a look. We're in the weekly time frame. Solo Scrooge, we're in the weekly time frame. So look, the RSI, let's take a look at the RSI quickly, my people. This is on the weekly. I drew a line connecting the bottom of the RSI here to the bottom of the RSI here, and I extended it out. Okay. We can see we've gone up, come down to support. Went up again, came down, dilly-dallied a bit, up a bit, came down to support. So we're on support right now on the weekly time frame on the RSI. If we take a look, last time we bounced off this support here on the RSI, Sologenic was, let's see, Sologenic was about 0.6 of an XRP. 0.6 of an XRP. Sologenic then did a big move, and we was worth at that time 7 XRP, 7.42 XRP we hit. 7.42 XRP. Okay. We came back down. So let's follow the RSI. We've come back down to support. Support landed us at, on that white line, 0.23 of an XRP. So 0.23 of an XRP. Notice where the RSI was. Then the RSI bounced off here. The price bounced from 0.23 of an XRP. We went all the way up to 0.8687 of an XRP. So we bounced on that occasion as well. We've come back down, tried to push up again, but we've come back down. And notice where we've come back down to. We've come back down right to the support line that I extended from connecting these two. So what we need to look out for now, this support line sits at 39.20 on the RSI. So we need to see if we're going to curve round. If we're going to curve round and start going up, if we see the RSI on the weekly go above 39.20 and start curving round, then it's bullish, my people. Then that's bullish. Because what will happen after that, if it does go that way, we'll golden cross on the RSI, and that's bullish from where we are. And if we're at 20.28 of an XRP right now, that could take us, if we turn curve round, that could take us to about 0.49, 0.48, let's say 0.50. That could take us to half of an XRP. So we need to keep an eye on the weekly time frame. We need to keep an eye on the RSI. If we break below 38.76 and we see it going down to 37, 36 on the RSI, then it's bearish. But as it stands, we've hit support, and which is quite bullish actually. Depending how long it plays out, we can come up to this blue line. You can see that this blue line, my people, look, this blue line, it's been heavy resistance. It's been heavy resistance. So resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we come up again and touch it at maybe the 47 or the 50, anywhere from the 50 to the 43, I'm not anticipating a breakout, but it's possible. So we need to keep an eye. We need to keep an eye on it. So if this RSI curves round, my people, if it curves round, we can see a move from 28, wherever we are, 28 to 40 something, to the 50 mark. If we break over it and we get bullish, then we get bullish. The MACD, as we can see on the MACD as well, the MACD def crossed on March the 27th. The MACD def crossed. But as it stands, it's looking like we're curving round. So if we curve round and start heading up, it's bullish. The stochastic RSI is at the bottom. It's at the bottom. You see? Look at that, my people. We're at the bottom on the stochastic RSI. So this is an emergency alert, my people. We need to keep an eye on Sologenic. You know, there's a play to be had here. If this RSI can confirm, and if we can see this RSI confirming and going around up, further up, there's a play to be had here. Not financial advice, but I know what I'm doing. I've been buying Sologenic. I'm going to continue buying Sologenic. If we drop low, if we fall lower, I will continue to buy. I'm buying now. So this is an emergency alert, my people. We can take a look at the Corium chart quickly. Corium versus Solo. Sorry, Corium versus XRP. Corium over XRP. Let's take a look at the Core versus XRP chart. Okay, where are we? Hold on, let's get the... We want the stochastic RSI as well. So Corium on the weekly. We've got Core in the weekly, currently at 0.51 of an XRP. You can see this yellow line had been support from the 14th of March 2022. We came back down to it again 19th of September 2022. Are we going to come back down to it again is something that we have to watch out for. We have to watch out for. We don't want to, because that would be too low in price. We can see a support at the 0.36. There's a support at the 0.36 of an XRP. So Corium, the chart has come, the RSI has come down to the 38, which is a support. So we need to see for Corium, we need to see, can we round up, do the same on the RSI that Solo's about to do, or that Solo looks like it's about to do. But we don't want to come below, we don't want to fall beneath the 38.49 on the RSI, because if we fall beneath that, then that's a bearish signal. As it stands, we're beneath this white line here, which was support here, and the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So this white line is a significant white line. It's shown as resistance again. Here, resistance. Couldn't break through it, resistance. So we have to keep an eye on the, let's keep an eye on the RSI and the weekly, on the, at the 38.49, my people, for the Corium chart. Also right now we're at 0.51 of an XRP. If we fall beneath that, we will come down to 0.37 of an XRP. That's our support. 0.37 of an XRP is our support on the Corium chart, my people. So this is an emergency alert, my people. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. If you got anything out of this update, like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.